Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarin. How are you today? It is Wednesday, January 3rd, 2018. People, where do I begin? Alright, let's start off with this. It's early here on the west coast of the United States. It's actually 7 a.m. Market is open, new intraday records across the board. And you are not surprised about that. I know that for a fact because I've been explaining this to you since the election of Donald Trump as President of the United States, that this market was going to rip higher, and that's exactly what it's been doing. Speaking of ripping higher, Steem, the cryptocurrency Steem, is on a tear over the past couple of days, and I think it's got nowhere to go but higher. I laid out a case for this several times over the past few weeks before this huge move higher. And congratulations to those of you that got in on this. You gotta look for up-and-comers. Forget the stinking herd mentality. I can't tell you how many times have I said that. You all heard me say it. It's what you got to do. It's the same thing with any asset. You know, don't look where everyone's looking. Look somewhere else. That's where the opportunity is. It's always the same story. Anyway, so again, records across the board here, intraday records with regard to the stock market. I have not opened any new positions. I explained to you yesterday. I have calls on Amazon. I bought Kinder Morgan as a whole, the stock, not the option. Despite the fact that I said that in the video yesterday like 2 or 3 times, I got questions about that this morning. Please, people, pay attention to what I'm saying in the videos so you don't have to write to me, because my email box, I almost never write back anymore. I can't. It's just ridiculous every day. I look at it and I go, oh my God. So, what's going on in the bond market? You might want to be asking me or yourselves that question, or you might even be looking at it right on my website as we speak, traderschoice.net. You can watch my videos right on the website. Well, if you happen to be on my website watching this video, or you want to go there, just look at the right side of the page. You're going to see something kind of interesting with regard to the bond market. They're trying to buy it up. Again, are you surprised about that? No. This is what they always do. We had a humongous, epic sell-off yesterday. They tried to prop it up. At the end of the day, they're trying to prop it up now. This is going to keep rates suppressed. Those stocks will move higher. It's very simple. So keep your eye on that all day. You can see right now what they are doing, propping it up. It's ridiculous. The dollar, which has been literally been getting incinerated all of last year and for the past few weeks here, is just about at the flat line. I think it has a slight gain right now. Junk bonds, hold on, let me go back to bonds real quick. Junk bonds are being bought up a little bit. That means the market wants to take on some risk. You know that. I've covered that for you. Metals are under a little bit of pressure here. That's because the dollar is up here. Although, you know, it's rigged. It's not real. Anyway, I can't stand it, but good. Like I always say, let them play their game. We're going to play ours. The debt globally is going to continue to explode to the upside. Deficits are going to get worse. How are they going to try to fill these gaps? One guess. Exactly. By printing cash out of thin air. All it's going to do is make the problem monumentally worse. You know that. This is why you, 1, bet against the debt. 2, become your own central bank. Could not be more simple for you. The big story coming down the pike here later on today is the Fed minutes. We're going to hear from the Fed today. Aren't you excited about this? Get your barf bags ready, because this is what you're going to hear. Our economy is doing what it's supposed to do. Although they're not hitting their inflation targets, they're on track to do so. Oh, we might get a rate hike or 2 or 3. Look, whatever, they have no idea what they're doing, what they're saying. They're flying by the seat of their pants. And I'm gonna cover it all later after I clean up the mess from my floor, after puking all over the place because they can't stand it. You know, it's unbelievable. Then you're going to have the mainstream financial people. Oh, the Federal Reserve, you know, they're doing this and they're saying that. And Really, the confederacy of mental, well, fill in the blank. Mental, what are these people? I mean, they are so disconnected from reality, and they take everything at face value. Oh, yeah. Oh, the price of gold and silver, oh, that's real. Oh, the debt, oh, it's fine. It's the biggest bubble the world has ever known, but, oh, that's okay, It's insane. All right, look, with that said, I am eagerly going to be waiting for the Fed minutes here. And I will put a nice little summation on that on the video that I do later, so I hope you don't miss it. It's probably going to be somewhat entertaining because I'm already getting geared up for it. Anyway, keep your eye on that bond market. You know where to find it. And Steem, like I've been saying, I know I was a little biased, and I use that word over and over again when I was talking about Steem, why I believed in the Steem platform, why I believed in the Steem currency, and it's just incredible. I mean, just to put a perspective on this, last night I went to bed. I had about $61,000 in that account. I woke up this morning, it's over $85,000. That's the gain that it's put on just overnight. So we'll have to see where that goes here. And again, how did I earn that? I didn't invest a single dollar. All I did was post my stuff on Steem, and you get paid for posting your own stuff in a cryptocurrency which you can convert into whatever you want to. So if you're not taking advantage of this, you might want to think about why. Why are you posting on Facebook? I don't know. You really like Mark Zuckerberg that much that you want to make this guy richer than he already is? Well, then good. You continue to post on Facebook or Twitter or any of these other, frankly, bullshit social networks. Steem is the future of social networks. And you're going to see more of these crypto-backed social networks coming online. I am certain of this. This was one of my 2018 predictions. Get in on Steem now. I think it's got nowhere to go but bigger as a platform and higher as a cryptocurrency. All right, I'm going to shut up. I'll see you at the end of the day for my summation, Fed Minute talk, and I am looking forward to it. Over and out.